Today we're going to make a loaded shrimp and steak potato. This is a very easy dinner that looks very expensive. Let me show you how to make it. To start, I'm going to rub some olive oil and salt into my potato, and I'm going to wrap it in foil and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes. For the steak, season with your favorite steak seasoning and then sear in your pan. I did about 2.5 to 3 minutes per side. This is pretty much to your liking. Then take it out of the pan and let it rest before cutting. Add some butter and onion and garlic to the same pan. Saute for about a minute or so before adding your shrimp, raw shrimp, and your spices as shown here. I'm going to leave everything in the description box below, so don't worry. You're going to cook your shrimp for a few minutes until they change in color and they are nice and tender and look like this. Look at that beautiful color. Now to this, you're going to add the heavy cream or half and half or whatever you want to use, a little bit of shredded cheese, and you're going to let it thicken a little bit until it looks like this. This sauce is everything. Now for the potato, remove the top and remove all the potato on the inside. We're going to mix that with some butter, some more heavy cream or milk, and your cheese. And we're going to go back and stuff the inside with this delicious, delicious mashed potatoes, like so. Now cut your steak, and we are going to stuff the potatoes with the shrimp and the pieces of steak, like so. And add your sauce on top. Add a lot of sauce. The sauce is the secret weapon of this dish, in my opinion. It is delicious. A little bit more cheese on top, and then melt it in the microwave and finish off with some green onions for some color. And there you have it. Serve and enjoy.